So this is a sample footage of a car passing by in which I'm going to be using for this transition tutorial. The first thing you're going to do here is select the second clip or scene and place it underneath your first clip. Skim through the top clip and find the place you wish the transition to begin. Once you've got your starting point, slice the clip by using the shortcut Command B on your keyboard. Align your bottom clip so that it's right underneath the second portion of your first clip. Select this portion of your first clip, bring out the effects browser, go down to the search bar and then type in Draw Mask. Double click on that. Head up to the video inspector, under Draw Mask, set the shape type to linear. Zoom out by clicking here to drop down the menu, and set it to around 50%. Now go ahead and draw the area you wish the transition to take place. For a more complex or curved edges, simply click on the anchor point while holding the Command key and then drag to make a curved bezier point, adjusting it to the shape you want. Next, head back to the video inspector, under Draw Mask's view, set it to the original for now. In the transform option, click here to drop down the position and rotation tool, set the keyframes for position as well as control points. Now go ahead and move to the next frame by pressing the right arrow key on your keyboard, reposition your mask, adjusting it so that it covers the area of transition. Repeat this process until the passing by object is completely out of frame. Once you're done, head back to the video inspector, tick this invert mask box and then set the view back to composite. So when you play back, it should look something like this. As you can see, the edges of this car here is a bit sharp, so what we're going to do here is smooth it slightly by heading back to the video inspector, deselect this Draw Mask on-screen controls option, smooth out the sharp edges by simply adjusting the feather as well as the fall-offs. You could also do this frame by frame, simply add a keyframe to both of these tools, and then use the right arrow key to go through one frame at a time. Now that's all done, let's take a look at what we've got. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this tutorial somewhat helpful, and if you enjoy this video, please leave it a like and also subscribe for more short Final Cut Pro tutorials like this one. Good luck and have fun with your project, try it out and let me know how it goes, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!